Action!
Hi, this is Vini and Tristan from Toyko, and we have another video of these Funko Mystery Mini plushies from the Star Wars series. This is from The Last Jedi, sure. And we have another lineup of characters here. We have let's see what we have. We have Chewbacca, I guess a First Order Stormtrooper, the Porg. We have Finn, FIN287, whatever his name is.
Chewbacca.
BB-8.
Chewbacca.
Ray, of course, Chewbacca. BB-Hate. I don't know his actual name, because he's black and the bean one, so they call it BB-Hate. We have Kylo Ren. Kind of look, I thought it was Snoke for a second there, because he got the, Snoke's got the thing like right here. Kylo Ren's got the one right here. Kylo Ren. Anyway, let's open them and check it out.
Rock, paper, scissors,
Oh, we got
shoot.
rock, paper, scissors again. I think I beat you like 3-0 last time. You sure you really want to do this?
Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Godzilla! Godzilla beats everything. It's not my rules, that's just the way it is. Okay, we'll do it again. Rock, paper, scissors.
Magic!
I think Godzilla beats magic.
No. Imagine teleport Godzilla away.
Oh, okay.
In entire space. I get to go first.
Godzilla beats everything. Alright. What did you get?
I got BB
Oh,
Hate.
BB Hate. I don't know exactly.
BB-8.
BB9E or something like that. Is his name, but cool. I like it. Oh my gosh. What are the odds on this guy? I hope it's like a rare one. Okay, 2 of 18, so you've already got 2 of them. Let's see who the rare ones here. We got, oh, Finn's kind of rare. He's a 1 in 18. He's the rarest one. Ray's a 2 in 18.
The pork is 3.
BB-8, Chewbacca, and the Porg are the most common ones. They're 1 in 6. So, let's see who else we got here.
Chewbacca.
Oh, Chewbacca. Awesome. Wow. I'm not as in love with some of the characters in the new movies as I was from, like, Boba Fett and some of the guys from the original series. But Chewbacca is in all the series, so gotta love Chewbacca. He's pretty cute, too. Check that out. I think I'm gonna hang that from my mirror instead of the Boba Fett. Oh, we'll see. What are the odds on him? 3 in 18. We'll get more Chewbaccas. I'll keep one. And if you would like, oh, here's the BB-8, the new attempt at R2-D2, but he's pretty cute. I like Bubba 8, BB-8, Bubba 8.
You got Ray.
Oh, Ray, all right. She got some little long eyelashes there. She got her hair like it was in the movie, kind of.
Ugh, look at my hair.
Oh, wow. Look at that wolf fucker.
Yeah, she's got some messed up hair.
Kylo Ren. I should have put the mask on him. That would have been cooler.
Yeah.
He's like an angry emo kid. Pretty cool, though.
We got Finn.
Finn, he's the rare one, actually. FN287. I'm looking at everything. Cool, cool. He's rare. As far as this goes. Oh, another Ray. All right. It's got her,
Weird hair.
her sand uniform on, I guess you'd call it. He's on that planet. Jakku, is that what she called it?
And there's
Hey, no
Chewbacca.
Chewbacca. I'd rather have like all Chewbaccas. Like every single one be a Chewbacca. Really cool.
Yeah. I want the porks.
Oh yeah, the Porg, that's actually
Pretty cute.
kind of cute. I like the Porg. You like the Porg?
Yeah. Hey, this is my turn.
Oh, speaking of which, it's actually pretty cute. It's cuter than the picture. Oh.
And
They don't actually say anything, do they?
BB-8.
The Porg doesn't say anything.
And
Something like that.
your turn.
That's kind of sad though. I don't know if he's frightened. Oh, he must be the one that was like in the windshield when they hit the warp drive.
Uh-huh.
So he looked kind of scared.
Yeah.
Scared for him.
I feel bad for him.
Yeah, I feel bad for him too. Hopefully someone will buy him who will love him and he'll have a happy home. Hey, another Chewbacca. All right, we're doing pretty good on Chewbacca's.
And our pork?
Another Porg. All right. Just had the Chewbacca and the Porg and BB-8 are the most common ones, according to the odds. So, let's see, we're pretty much in line with the odds so far. Got some Porgs. And Chewbacca's over here. Some Rays.
We have to get
That
Kylo
guy.
Ren, or we get the Stormtroopers.
Oh, we don't have a Stormtrooper yet. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna get a Stormtrooper.
Okay, right. Oh, Kylo Ren again.
And I got a Porg.
Looks angry. He looks kind of sad, actually. I feel bad for him.
I
It's
got
the
another
emo
Porg.
thing. Hey, another Porg.
Okay.
There's got to be a Stormtrooper in here, hopefully.
Yeah, how many Stormtrooper? This one. Oh,
Oh,
Stormtrooper.
there's a Stormtrooper. All right, he's a First Order Stormtrooper. Their faces look a little different than the originals. Oh, wow. 2 in a row. It looks like he's smiling. It's like a happy Stormtrooper. The other ones were like, yeah. He's a happy one. Oh, another BB-8. All right. So we got we were actually very true to the odds there. We got 3 BB-8s, a couple
One
BB-8s,
fin.
a couple emos, a couple of happy Stormtroopers,
And 3 sad porgs.
3 scared porgs, 3 Chewbacca. He's kind of like grinning like that.
3 mad Chewbaccas.
And a couple Rays. So I think actually very much in line with the odds there. They're pretty cool, pretty cute. Nice little clip on there. You can put in your keychain or hang it in your mirror.
But the Ray is a little bit weird that she can like.
It's got like a bald spot in back. It kind of does like a comb over. Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's okay.
Like you can make her look like a boy.
Oh, and this guy.
Now she looks hairy like Chewbacca.
Oh wow, and he can even pull his thing down if you make a weird hat for him.
What?
And you have the tag's a little big. You can cut that off.
Yeah.
Unless you just wanted it.
Yeah.
But, anyway, these are pretty cool. We sell these on our website, so we'll put a link in the description
I
below.
made a masker him.
Check it out. If you like the video, give us a like. And
I made a mask for him.
oh yeah, he does better.
Yeah.
And subscribe if you want to watch more videos from us. Again, thank you and